Yet another warm day across the valley today. Nothing like yesterday and the day before, but we still set a record in McAllen at 104. Weslaco, that 100, actually tied a record set back in 1953. Harlingen did break a record, we got to 100, and Brownsville was 96 degrees this afternoon, so it was a very warm day across the valley. And it looks like the next couple of days we're going to see relief from this heat. Things ought to settle down, and I think for the most part we actually have a chance for a few showers around the valley. I don't see any real problems as far as heat anymore. I think that stuff's probably going to fade away. Let's take a look at what's going on across the rest of the valley right now. And as you take a look at it, temperatures are in the 80s as we speak. 85 in Weslaco, 87 in McAllen right now. Tomorrow, no more 100 plus, but we also now introduce that chance for a couple of showers. Nothing big, nothing widespread tomorrow, but I think the chance goes up the next couple of days. So these are relatively comfortable as far as highs go. And the next 3 days, tomorrow might be the warmest of the bunch. The normal is 95, we'll be at 96. And then we actually go down as the chance of rain increases through the weekend and into the first part of next week. Now, of course, our Doppler network is very quiet. It has been all day today. Let's zoom out a little bit, though. You can make out our cool front. It's up here. And boy, I tell you what, there were some winds of 70 miles an hour in San Angelo tonight as the front went through there. All kinds of severe thunderstorm warnings, now flood warnings for that area. They've seen some very heavy rainfall. We don't expect that to reach all the way down here, but the front itself will kind of fade away as it pushes southward, and that will keep that rain chance in our forecast for a while. Now notice tomorrow, most of the action is north of us, but spotty showers are possible here. Front still in the neighborhood just to our north on Sunday. Notice how we see a little more activity, and Monday we see a little more activity, and it looks like we could just see, again, on and off showers all the way through the next 6 or 7 days, but probably peaking late in the weekend, early next week as that front fades away. Here's the local version of Future Track, and notice scattered stuff begins to show up tomorrow, but it's not all that widespread. Going to Sunday, it's a little more widespread, but still not everybody gets rained on. And then by Monday, I think we got our best chance for showers and thunderstorms, and that probably lingers into Tuesday as well. So there's your rain chance, 20, 50, and 50 for Sunday and Monday, but don't be surprised tomorrow if your day's interrupted briefly by a shower or maybe even a thunderstorm. If you're headed to the coast for the beach in the morning, look, we start at 90, but then the sea breeze will kick in and temperatures climb up briefly, but then it'll go back down by tomorrow afternoon. There you see the afternoon temperatures about 84. UV index is extreme. The rip current risk is moderate. There the tide, seas running 3 to 5 feet. Everything kind of settling down. No more beach flood advisories or anything like that. All the impact of that tropical storm long gone. So 80 tonight, warm, humid, 80 for a low, warm and humid. Then tomorrow back up to 96, partly sunny skies with spotty showers around. I think the activity just increases though as we go through the weekend into early next week. So that's quite a change from our forecast from 7 days ago when we were talking about record-setting heat. Now we're talking about kind of swinging the spectrum to below normal temperatures and a better than average chance of rainfall. So we're finally getting what I know you've been asking for
now
the
you're
last
talking,
week.
Tim.
Finally a slightly cooler forecast and maybe some rain for everybody before the next week is out.
I am loving it, giving it 2 thumbs up.